Are you searching for a highly capable tactical loadout without emptying your wallet? Today, I am sharing the absolute best airsoft guns under $100 to elevate your gameplay. I will guide you through these top budget-friendly options right now. Product number 1. SIG Sauer SIG-1 MPX Spring-Operated Airsoft Rifle SIG-1 MPX Airsoft Spring Rifle Kit with P226 Spring Pistol. I am looking at the SIG Sauer SIG-1 MPX Spring-Operated Airsoft Rifle Kit, which conveniently includes a P226 Spring Pistol. When I step onto the field, having a reliable backup sidearm right out of the box is a huge advantage, especially when staying on a strict budget. Because this is a spring-operated system, I never have to worry about charging batteries or buying gas canisters. I just pull the charging handle back before every shot, which adds a highly tactile and engaging element to my backyard target practice. The MPX offers a sleek, modern tactical design that feels great to handle, while the P226 gives me a classic, comfortable grip for close quarters engagements. I find that spring-powered models like this teach excellent discipline, since every shot requires manual chambering. This setup provides an incredible amount of value for anyone wanting to experience the thrill of backyard skirmishes without spending a fortune. Product number 2. HK Heckler and Koch 416 Hong Kong dollars AEG Rifle Airsoft Gun. Moving on to an automatic option, the HK Heckler and Koch 416 Hong Kong dollars AEG Rifle Airsoft Gun is an outstanding choice for those wanting electric power. As an AEG, or automatic electric gun, this replica allows me to send a continuous stream of BBs downrange without manually cocking the weapon each time. I appreciate the iconic 416 Hong Kong dollars design, which perfectly mimics the tactical layout used by professionals around the world. The battery-powered motor provides a consistent and satisfying rate of fire, ensuring I can suppress targets effectively during intense outdoor matches. I love the balance and maneuverability this rifle offers, making it easy for me to transition between tight corners and open spaces. With its durable construction, it holds up remarkably well against the typical bumps and scrapes of active gameplay. This electric rifle delivers a truly authentic and thrilling experience, giving me a distinct tactical edge while remaining highly affordable. Product number 3. Game Face Warrior Protection Spring-Powered Airsoft Rifle and Pistol Kit with Holster and 1000 BBS Earth/Black. The Game Face Warrior Protection Spring-Powered Airsoft Rifle and Pistol Kit is another fantastic bundle that sets me up perfectly for immediate action. I am completely impressed by everything included here, as it comes with a rifle, a pistol, a holster, and a generous supply of 1000 BBs. The earth and black color scheme looks exceptionally sharp, providing a great tactical appearance that blends well in outdoor environments. Because both weapons are spring-powered, I experience consistent, reliable performance regardless of the temperature or battery levels. I really enjoy having the dedicated holster, which allows me to practice rapid transitions from my primary rifle to my sidearm seamlessly. Having 1000 rounds included means I can immediately head out into the yard and start plinking targets without making a secondary purchase. This kit offers remarkable convenience and endless entertainment for my weekend target shooting sessions. Product number 4. Glock 19X GBB Blowback 6mm BB Pistol Airsoft Gun. When I want unparalleled realism in a sidearm, I turn to the Glock 19X GBB Blowback 6mm BB Pistol Airsoft Gun. The GBB, or gas blowback mechanism, is the absolute highlight here, providing a snappy and satisfying recoil impulse every time I pull the trigger. I love how accurately this 6mm BB pistol replicates the exact dimensions and feel of the legendary firearm it is based on. The blowback action forces the slide to cycle backward with each shot, which adds an incredible level of immersion to my tactical training and indoor arena matches. The grip texturing feels secure and comfortable in my hand, ensuring I maintain complete control during rapid firing sequences. I find the gas efficiency to be very reliable, allowing me to focus on my accuracy rather than worrying about running out of pressure. This pistol is an absolute joy to operate and elevates my entire loadout. Product number 5. Evike Airsoft CYMA AEG Mag Compatible Full-Size Airsoft M4 Spring-Powered Rifle Model CQB-R. The Evike Airsoft CYMA AEG Mag Compatible Full-Size Airsoft M4 Spring-Powered Rifle offers a unique blend of reliability and versatility. I am particularly drawn to this CQB-R model because of its compact front end, which makes it highly maneuverable in tight spaces while retaining a full-size profile. The most brilliant feature of this spring-powered rifle is its compatibility with standard CYMA AEG magazines. I love this capability because it allows me to share magazines with my electric-powered teammates or easily find high-capacity upgrades without searching for proprietary spring magazines. The manual cocking action ensures that I am always ready to fire, regardless of the weather conditions. I find the sturdy construction holds up perfectly during rigorous backyard skirmishes and target practice. This versatile M4 replica serves as a highly dependable primary weapon that perfectly bridges the gap between traditional spring rifles and modern electric platforms. That wraps up my comprehensive look at the top tactical options available on a strict budget. I hope you enjoy your next backyard skirmish and dominate the field.